Hey guys, this is Fundo on Parama. Tonight on Uzalo, after Vega feels optimistic when he completes his task, however, Gonz has other plans for him. He becomes upset and Sibonelo want Vega dead right now, but Nkonzi advocates for patience. Hleziphi continue to use muthi on Nonka while the Shlobos are ready to be a businesswoman and they got a uniform for Shlobo tour. And Shlobo, young men are looking at her. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.